Welcome, architects and landscape designers. You're about to step into the world of seamless rendering where your designs come to life in real time. Rhino is crucial for designers, offering precise advanced modeling for complex geometries via Grasshopper. And the perfect companion for Rhino that can boost your design process up a notch is D5 Render, a real-time ray tracing renderer that allows you to explore your creations as you build them and visualizes every detail on the fly. For the architectural maestros out there, D5 Render for Rhino is your new best friend. You'll get instant visual feedback, allowing for quick reviews and informed decision-making. Watch as your structures are bathed in natural light, casting dynamic shadows that bring your projects to life. The real-time rendering lets you present your ideas with confidence, knowing that what you see is what your clients will get. And let's not forget the landscape visionaries. With D5 Render for Rhino, you can immerse yourself and your clients in varying atmospheres that landscapes can evoke under different weather conditions and at various times of day. The comprehensive asset library within D5, loaded with a plethora of plant models, empowers designers to effortlessly undertake landscape projects around the whole world. Each plant is presented in an array of forms and species, enriching the options for sophisticated plant arrangements. The plant tools available: fill, brush, and path. Make the process of landscape design not only straightforward, but also refined and precise. Engagement isn't just about what you show, it's about the story you tell. With the Rhino D5 Render workflow, your design narrative unfolds in front of your eyes, engaging clients and team members alike. So why wait? Make the Rhino D5 Render workflow your tool of choice and bring your architectural and landscape designs to life. You can find the download link in the video description and try D5 Render for free. Thanks for watching.